Habi, remember the day we first met? You just sit beside me and I've told you, Apay, si kakadit katugaw ko kethaan, with my natangsit and misuot face. Then you asked our teacher if you were really assigned on that seat. Then our teacher just agreed that you will be sitting beside me. And that's how our roller coaster story started.
I know we had a lot of ups and downs these past few years, but thankful that we always find a way to settle our arguments and set aside our difference to make things work.
In the morning I may rise, but at night I descend in search of heaven.
Habi, for 13 years, I've called you my boyfriend, my partner, my significant other, and my fiancé. Now, I vow to love you forever as I get to call you my husband.
Juno, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife, Lay?
Yes, Father. Humaba yung pasensya ko sa pagkukord sa kanya kasi medyo pihikan siya. And then, na ko yung matamis niyang oo nung January 1. Tapos yun, hanggang ngayon, 13 years na kami. Tapos mag-new chapter na naman kami ng buhay namin.
Palangiti siya kasi tapos jolly-jolly.
Lay, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband, Juno?
Yes, Father.
Where there are dreary streets, come dance with me. Like blooming seeds from dark reach. We'll sing out loud to the orphan land. And make a holy sound with our dirty mouth.
When we first met, I never imagined this day would come. But now that we are here, I couldn't have imagined choosing anyone else but you. Our courtship has been the happiest period of my life because in that time, you became not just my lover and companion, but also my best friend.
Thank you. Always remember that I am always with you wherever you go. Love, Lay. Wow. Abi, thank you. As we embark to a new journey, remember that it's no longer you or me, rather you and me together. I promise to love you with unending patience and understanding for the rest of our lives. I love you so much and hugs, Habi.
Oh, it's a bag.
Hi, beautiful. Got you something that you can use on our future travels. Hope you like it and can't wait to see you in the altar. Thank you. For all those times that we've been together, there's always been a mutual understanding. that's only shared when two people love each other truly. You were there for my greatest challenges. You encouraged me to grow. You helped believe in myself and become the person that I am today.
I hope that you will have more patience with me, agininaw talatan for our future, adaklata kanya mitay. I love you so much and see you in the altar.
Javi, I can't wait to see you at the altar. Good luck to us. I love you so much.
Above all, I thank God for He had given me you. I will love you and have faith in your love for me through all our years and that life may bring us. Love.
Juno, you may now kiss Lay, your wife.